I'm WeatherBug meteorologist Miranda Hilders back here with your extreme and severe weather outlook. Large hailstones falling across the Black Hills of South Dakota and even into portions of Montana and North Dakota yesterday. This was Rapid City. Seeing the quarter there for scale, noticing very large stones coming out of these cells, and more storm reports to wrap up as we go past 24 hours or so. Mainly into the high plains of the Rockies, seeing some hail and wind damage, and then from the east side of the Mississippi, predominantly wind damage events as well. Another redeveloping threat later today into the same regions. The satellite and radar already showing some stronger cells rolling through portions of Kansas and Oklahoma and even coming into Nebraska. But what we really have our eye on is an impulse of energy just off north of the Canadian border that's going to drop down quite a bit of stormy activity, and it's going to really start to amp up that threat for severe weather as we go through the rest of our Sunday afternoon. So your storm threat today extends from the Red River Valley into Grand Forks, North Dakota, all the way back through Bismarck, the Black Hills once again, and into western portions of Nebraska. That is a great threat for hail and wind damage, and an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. The storm threat tomorrow splits into two zones from the Twin Cities to Marquette across northern Wisconsin, and another impulse of energy likely to form from Omaha down towards Hill City and Kansas City. And that will be, again, a threat for wind damage and hail, most likely, and very slim chance of a tornado. Here's how it plays out on the futurecast, noticing some stronger cells holding together into northern Minnesota, and another round of severe weather headed towards the central plains as we go towards Monday evening. Some strong cells rolling through Kansas City and eventually down through south central portions of Missouri. Rainfall totals will be impressive. Into Little Rock, 0.8 of an inch, expecting some heavier rain down into the southeast and the mid-Atlantic, and more monsoonal flow into the southwest could bring trouble and some flooding concerns. Temperatures back there still very warm.